What's up, guys? So we just pulled up to our first maintenance client, and the condition is not too bad. Not too bad at all. Just a quick wipe down on everything, make everything nice and clean. We're gonna use Express Interior Cleaner on all the plastics. Throw some Cruise by Sealant Supply on top for protection. And yeah, big shout out to our maintenance client. She got one of our old cards, but it's a little beat up. Probably got to get her some new ones, but appreciate her for being a day one. But yeah, let's get to it.
So Cruise by Sealant Supply has become one of my favorite interior cleaners because it leaves a great matte finish, like almost like a factory finish, but yet it also has very powerful UV protection. And you can wipe down, you know, glass, literally everything on the interior. So check it out. Definitely check it out. I think it's good for every situation. Very, very good stuff. Very, very good stuff.
We are finished with our maintenance detail. Deep cleaned the wheels, added a sealant on the exterior, cleaning condition everything on the ends. Well, all the plastics and vinyl, the leather just got to wipe down. Well, still got a little bit of protection as well though with Cruise, so that's the good thing about that product. You know, it leaves a nice bit of protection. But the car came out well. David finishing up a little bit, but car came out nice. Yeah.